Hey guys, oh, let me close the doors. Hey y'all, what's up, what's good? It's your girl Chyna, back at it again with another video, another vlog. But anyways guys, so today's the next day. Today's Tuesday, not Monday, Tuesday. You guys are a little crooked. So today's Tuesday. Today the mission was to, it still is to clean and at least try to fix my closet, because sorry, it's been a minute y'all since, it's been about 2 weeks, 2 weeks and a half since we moved here, and I've been avoiding to organize my closet because it's so dirty. It's not dirty, but I have a lot of boxes in there, big boxes that I need to fix, and also I need to organize my clothes and just, yeah, everything, because everything is just upside down right now. So I've been avoiding it for the longest, you guys, and I've been saying I need to do it. Anyways, it's currently 3:23, so aka 3:30. So far I did my morning routine. I did all the things that I was supposed to do. Now I'm eating lunch, I guess. For breakfast I had an overnight oats with some fruits. So this is what I'm having for lunch. Some honeydew and tater tots with 2 barbecue chicken. That's what I'm having for lunch. Probably not the best lunch, but you guys, I've been loving potatoes, y'all. Like, I love potatoes now. All I want to do is eat potatoes. Like, honestly, I want to be a potato. But anyways, I'm gonna finish eating. Hopefully in the next 30 minutes. Well, hopefully before that, because I have an appointment at 7:30, and I want to make sure that a meeting at 7:30, and I want to make sure that I want to at least be close to being done. So so I'm gonna try my best to try to get done by like 7 the latest, and then if I don't finish, it's okay. I'll probably just finish it tomorrow, but I kind of want it to be done today, but whatever. And then I have to make dinner. Today we're having tacos. My baby's having shrimp tacos because he only eats seafood, so I'm making him shrimp tacos for dinner since it's Tuesday, so tacos Tuesday. And I'll probably have like some steak or something, or just have some, I don't know. I'll probably have some steak or something, or chicken, I don't know. But yeah guys, so that's what we have left to do for today. I already did all the tedious things that I had to do, like computer work, and well, most of them, and all those other stuff. I already did them for while I was eating breakfast and talking to my sister, so that's, at least that's done. But now the real task is my closet. All right, you guys, so this is what we're looking like right now. So this is my little vanity section. This is it. And then this is my closet right now. I just have some clothes up here, and then all boxes. So I'm about to attempt to organize this, you guys. I'm gonna try to put some stuff away, remove some boxes, because at least half of these boxes don't need to be here. I think I'm only gonna keep like 3 boxes, maybe. I don't know yet, because those have like my bottles for naturally defined. So yeah guys, we're gonna attempt to clean up. I'm probably gonna do like a B-roll. I'm not sure. We'll see.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you. When you're in the mood for empathy, there's blood in my pen. Better yet, for your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck that, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga that ain't good game, homie, sorry. They say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S.
So far this is what I got. Why is this like this? Hold on, y'all. I actually need to go back in here and look through this again. But so far this is what I have. I have my little station here. I'm gonna put all the oils and stuff on here. All the oils that's in here, I'm gonna put them right here because those are oils that's already made. These are inventories of empty bottles and stuff that I haven't really got to yet. And then these are the clothes. Lastly, just mostly the clothes that I have to like put in the hangers. And then yeah, we're getting somewhere, y'all. You know, it's looking a little crazy still. You know, we're getting somewhere. Yeah, you guys, this is a lot. I don't know yet what I'm gonna do, but I feel like maybe I should fix my clothes first before I decide where to put this, because I kind of want to hang all my clothes. I want to hang all my clothes, but it's looking like that box should go over there so that I can fill up that whole area, and then I can actually put some clothes. I can also put clothes up here too, but I don't know how I feel because my shoes are here. And I can actually hang clothes right here too. So yeah, you guys, I don't know yet what I'm gonna do, because I know I'm trying to hang most of my clothes, and I know this row is not gonna be enough to hang all my clothes. And I have all this side too, which I can utilize. So I'm trying to see how can I utilize them. Hey y'all, so we got a little progress. So I have only one box left, and this box is my clothes. Honestly, I think I'm gonna fix my clothes tomorrow, because I did pretty good today. Even here, y'all, even here looks pretty good. This is my glasses. Hold on, let me show you guys. So it looks pretty. It's not exactly how it's gonna stay like, but at least it's not as crowded as it was, you know. And then right here, again, this is not gonna be here. I haven't fixed it yet. So, and I got my shoes up here. I got some boxes up there. I got my shoes. I still want another shoe rack. For now, they're just gonna stay in here. It's two of them. There's my winter shoes are underneath, and my shoes that I don't wear often. Hangers. I got more hangers here. I got my duffel bags that I'm gonna use for my trip this weekend. I have my extra bags over here. Oh, you gotta stay up. You gotta stay up. And then I got my fan and that, and I have all my extra clothes that I got, my suitcases, my naturally defined, the oils and stuff like that. Again, before I put them in here, I want to wrap them so that, you know, because some of them are glass. So this is what I have, and then I have some in the bottom too. but I want to like wrap them first, and then again these are just extra inventory. But yeah, you guys, it's the fact that I can actually walk in here now. I can walk in here. I can be like, okay, I'm gonna wear this, I'm gonna wear that. On this side, I feel like I'm gonna wear this. Oh, and up there is like my winter clothes that I usually don't wear at all. So, not at all, but just like it doesn't get cold like that in Florida. I only wear them when I'm like traveling to like a really cold place. So, I have them up there. And I have some extra boxes. And yeah, so you guys, we're getting somewhere. So now I just gotta put these are dirty clothes. I'm about to just put them in a dirty pile, and then tomorrow I'm gonna do this tomorrow. Honestly, I am finished for today. So yeah, I did pretty good. I did pretty good despite, you know, me starting so late. I did pretty good. But anyways, guys, all right, y'all, so I am making the shrimp. Oh shoot, I need to put the volume down because I look like they're about to get burnt. You know, shrimp's not supposed to. And then I have some steak for me. We're done. We're about to eat. Say hi, babe. So this is what we have today. We got the tortilla, we have some onions, we have some jalapeno, we have some taco sauce, lettuce, we got the shrimp and some steak. We didn't have any tomatoes or anything, so whatever, we're just gonna have to do. Then we have some passion fruit. It's so good. Good, good. All right, y'all. So we ate dinner. I showered. I already put on my face routine, my face skin care, whatever you call it. After I showered, you guys, right after I showered, I had like this little piece of glass stuck in the bottom. Oh, sorry, on the bottom of my foot. Sorry, y'all. My baby is he's showering and he likes to sing in the shower. But yeah, you guys, I had it stuck in my feet. It took us literally like 30 minutes trying to remove it. Like, I hate when that happens, y'all, cause like it hurts so bad and you can't even, like, the thing be so tiny, but it hurts so bad and it's like such a inconvenience, you know, cause now you gotta waste your time trying to remove it. Yeah, it was so annoying, but I'm glad. I think it's out. Honestly, it's either it's out or it's pushed all the way inside my foot. One of those. I don't know. But anyways, y'all, I'm just finishing. My gosh, he showers with like hot water, really hot water. But anyways, I'm just putting on my lotion, and then after that, I'm gonna read the Bible, and then we're gonna go to bed. Because it's already almost, I think it's like 10:45, I believe. I wanted us to go to sleep a little early because it's been a long day. So the lotion I use is the Native. I've actually been loving their collection. This is the coconut one. The coconut, at first I didn't like it. I like it. It's not my favorite or whatever, but since I bought two of them, I was like, let me just use it. The next time I'll probably get like the lavender, because the lavender, it's a long sleep. Anyways, y'all, thank you guys for coming along and watching my vlog. tomorrow I have something else I have to do. I don't know if I'm gonna put it in this vlog too. Maybe I will, maybe I won't. I don't know, we'll see. But either way, thank you guys so much for coming along and watching this vlog. Your girl is heading to bed because she is tired. Alright, y'all. Bye.